Question 2. DS. What is the standard deviation of 10 numbers? Condition 1. The sum of any two numbers of these 10 numbers is 8. Condition 2. The average or arithmetic mean of these 10 numbers is 4. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. Relationship between the variable approach method and common mistake types 3 and 4A or B. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the standard deviation of 10 numbers. Let's also apply CMT 2, which says that we should get a unique value as the answer for the condition to be sufficient. Also, this is a statistics question, and therefore, we will have to apply CMT 3 or CMT 4A or B. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have 10 variables. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 10 equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide one equation each, E would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles. Choose E as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at both conditions together. We get the sum of any two numbers to be 8 and the average to be 4. So all the numbers are 4, and the standard deviation, therefore, is 0. So, the answer is unique value, and the conditions combined are sufficient by CMT 2. C should be the answer. However, this is a statistics question, and an easy C as an answer means we should look for 4A. That is, we have to consider the answer to be A or B. So we have to look at the relationship between the VA and CMT before finalizing our answer. Consequently, we have to consider each condition separately. The same logic can be applied to solve this question. Be sure to memorize the solving process. Watching lessons D19 will be even more helpful. Condition 1 tells us that the sum of any two numbers of these 10 numbers is 8. Now, if you take a number to be 5, the other will be 3 for the sum to be 8. But what about the third number? If the third number is 5, 5 plus 5 will become 10. So the only possibility is that all the numbers are 4. So we can pick any two, and the sum will always be 4 plus 4, or 8. As all numbers are the same, the standard deviation is 0. The answer is unique, so the condition is sufficient by CMT 2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. You should remember these expressions. The expression of any two numbers often appears in the exam. Condition 2 tells us that the average or arithmetic mean of these 10 numbers is 4. This just tells us that their sum is 10 times 4, which equals 40. But there can be various combinations of 10 numbers with a sum of 40. For example, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, or 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 5, 10, 20. In each case, the standard deviation will be different. Applying CMT 2, which means that the number of answers must be 1, we do not have a unique value, and the condition is not sufficient. If the question has both C and A as its answer, then A is an answer rather than C, by the definition of DS questions. Condition 1 alone is sufficient, so A is the correct answer. Answer: A.